Okay, folks, here we go. This is what we got. We're doing a new build today. Let me see if I'm looking into this right. Okay, there we go. We're doing a new build today. My buddy here, Andy, wherever he is, there he is. He bought the parts. I'm going to throw it together for him here. I'm just going to do this so you can see what it's like. Any dummy can build a computer. See, watch this. This would be fun. All right, this is what we got. All right, I don't got enough cord. I don't got enough fucking cord. There we go. Uh-oh, which way are we going? There we go. All right. As you can see, it isn't even unboxed yet. Okay, now we're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna pause this, and we'll get it together here when we get the fucking shit ready. All right, later.